Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Grilling with Rubes. Thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be grilling bacon wrapped hot dogs with a creamy, delicious beer cheese sauce, and I'm going to show you how to do frozen onion rings on the grill. I know you're going to love it, so let's get grilling. So let's start off by lighting our charcoal. And again, I'm using our lighter cubes here by Weber. And we're gonna light that with our torch. We're gonna put our chimney starter right over top. And we're gonna let that go for about 20 to 30 minutes. So we've got our Blackstone on low. We're gonna put our bacon on first. And we're gonna have this thick cut sliced bacon. If we were using thin bacon, we could probably just wrap it right around and then grill it. Since these slices are a little thicker, I'm going to cook them about 50% on the Blackstone and the rest of the way on the grill. All right, so our charcoal looks about ready to be poured. The smoke's gone, so we're going to pour that right in to one half of the grill. And so I'm going to push all the briquettes over to one half. With the frozen onion rings, we're going to get the grill probably over 425, 450, maybe even hotter. All right, so we're going to put our grill grate on now. Okay, and we're going to close this up and let this get nice and hot. And I got all the burners on, about medium low. And we're just going to do one more because we just feel like it. There we go. More bacon. All right. Let's see. Once we get a little browning on there, we'll flip it. Okay, so while our bacon's going, we got frozen onion rings. We're going to put these directly into the grill, which is nice and hot. You can see it's like well over 500. We're just going to put it right here onto the indirect side. Spread that around. Let that go for a few minutes. Now we're going to check our bacon. There we go. That's great. Don't want to go too crazy with this here. Keep everything on low. And we'll use 2 strips per hot dog. Okay, so we're going to take these off now. Want a slight browning. There we go. So let's see how the onion rings are doing. Been on maybe a couple minutes. So with this basket here, we can just kind of rotate them around, flip them. Okay, good. And we'll just keep doing this, checking it every couple of minutes, making sure we close it. Want to keep rotating just like in an air fryer, same thing. Halfway through it, just kind of give them a good stir so they're not sitting in one place. All right, so we'll let that go for a little while longer. And I've got our all beef hot dogs out here. I'm just going to make 4 hot dogs. And I've got our toothpicks here and soaked in water so they're not going to burn inside the grill. And basically what we're going to do, we're going to take our bacon strip, wrap it around tightly, 2 strips. Secure it with the toothpick. Three strips around this one. And I've got this nice little tray that we're going to put into the grill. We want them crispy because we want to top the hot dogs with some sliced up onion rings. Our onion rings, I've taken them out. See, nice and crispy. Onion rings are great. Excellent way to make onion rings in the grill. All right, so we're ready to put our hot dogs into the grill. And we're just gonna leave that in there and check on them. It'll probably take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, but we'll check on it in 5 minutes and see how it's doing. So in our pan on the Blackstone, which I have on medium, we're gonna start off by putting in 1/4 cup of butter. Let that fully melt. That was great. Into that butter, we're gonna have 3 tablespoons of flour. Okay, we got a 1/4 cup of milk. There he goes. Here's the Blue Jay checking us out. Now, any lager beer will work with this, just about a 1/4 cup or more, whatever. Stir that all together, and then we'll start putting our other ingredients in. Okay, and into that we're gonna put 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, got a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, got a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, minced garlic, got about a tablespoon of chopped parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, about a teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna put in our cheese. Just gradually put it in. We'll put the whole thing in, and once that melts, then we'll put the rest in. Now I shredded my own cheese. It's just gonna be fresher and it's gonna melt a lot quicker. Okay, and then we'll just put the rest of it in. And that's melting really good. So we'll leave this on here. We'll go ahead and check on the hot dogs. Wow, that's looking great. I think we're almost about done. Cheers. So with our onion rings, what I like to do is to take them and just chop them into pieces that we can put on top of the hot dog. Okay, and that's it. So keep that off to the side. I've got these pretzel buns that I saw at the supermarket that were just fantastic looking. Along with that beer cheese, I think that's gonna be a perfect pairing. We'll just open them up, get them ready for the hot dog. And these have cooled down, of course, enough to where we can grab that. Just load it up. And a few extra onion rings. Just all over it, guys. That's the way to go. Don't be shy. On our onion rings. All right, so we're gonna try these bacon wrapped hot dogs. Let's dive in. First, I'm gonna try the onion rings with the beer cheese. I really like that beer cheese. Awesome. Well, I'm gonna try the hot dog. Let's go in. What a great flavor. Give me a second. Oh, fantastic. It's a great idea with the beer cheese. Absolutely loved it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're new to my channel and enjoy what you're seeing, please hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, watch for my upcoming videos. See you next time.